The quality orders form is used to manually create a quality order for the inventory of a specified item and test quantity, and to perform the tests within that specified test group. The form can also be used to manually create a quality order for a specified order, such as purchase order, production order, or physical on-hand inventory. The test quantity and test group are also included. One or more quality orders can be manually created for a specific order. A quality order must be manually generated for an item's inventory quantity, and the quality association record provides a default value for the AQL. For example, the person in the inbound warehouse was unloading boxes from the vendor's truck and noticed that one of the boxes appeared to be damaged. The company policy dictates that suspected damaged items must be tested for quality. Therefore, he manually creates a quality order to have the products in the box inspected. Let's switch over to AX and create a manual quality order. Quality order form is found in Inventory Management. And then if we go to Periodic, Quality Management, and then Quality Orders. To create a new quality order, click the New icon and select the reference type. This could be any of the reference types that you can use for automatic quality generation. In this example, I want to use inventory because I want to choose inventory that is already on hand. So for this example, I will use item number M0005. Then, in the test group field, I'll select which test group I want to run. We'll choose the apparel test that we just created and type in the quantity that I want to test. If this inventory is in a specific location or is location controlled, you must specify that location. I've got some in both Warehouse 11 and 12, so I'll choose to test the ones that are located in Warehouse 11. It's important to note that if the item you're testing is batch, serial number, inventory, license plate, pallet controlled, or any of the other inventory dimensions, you must specify those before you can create the new quality order. I'll click OK to create the order. And now the new quality order has been generated with the details I specified. On the bottom half of the screen, I can see each of the tests. Had I attached documents in the test groups when I created them, they would appear here and I could click the Documents icon to open and view those documents. You'll notice that currently the test results display a red X to indicate that they are failing. This is because no results have been entered yet. To enter results, you must click the Results button and then type the quantity that are being tested. It's important that this quantity match the quantity of your quality order test. If I'm testing 1, I can type the quantity of 1 and specify the test results. In this case, I'm testing the temperature, so the temperature should be between 92 and 110. In this case, if I validate it, the test would pass for the quantity of 1, but I would still need to test an additional 9. I'm going to update this to the quantity of 10 so that it matches, and then click Validate. Here you can see the test result changes to a green check mark to indicate that the test has passed. I'll close the form and then perform the rub and scratch test and record the results by clicking the Results button again. Here on the quality order lines, again, I'll enter the quantity of 10 and select the outcome. It has defaulted to smooth because that smooth outcome was selected in the test group as the default. If I validate the test, again, you can see it has passed. I'll close the window and then perform my last test by clicking the Results button. The quantity of 10 and the test results are going to be 2450 centistokes. I'll validate the test and close the window. Now you can see that all of my test results have passed. If you don't click the Validate Test Results, it's okay. The results entered checkbox will still be included, and you can use the Validate button on the upper portion of the quality order to perform the validation all at once. No matter what, you'll always need to perform a final validation on the quality order to finalize it and release these items back into inventory. So I'll go ahead and click the Validate button. It will default to your current user, and then you can click the Accept Error if you want to accept any errors, or you can mark that you want to quarantine the items upon the validation failure. I don't want to do either of these, so I click OK. In this particular example, all of the tests passed, so the status of the quality order is updated to pass. Be sure to join me in our next lesson where we'll look at nonconformances.